One of the ancient African art's most astonishing discovery is the Ife Terracotta Sculpture, created by the Yoruba people of Ile-Ife. Dating back to the 12th to 15th centuries, the Ife Terracotta Sculpture are some of the oldest and finest examples of African art. The city of Ife, regarded as the spiritual art and cradle of the Yoruba civilization, was home to master artisans who created these detailed and lifelike pieces. The sculpture depicts human heads, figures and animals, each one intricately carved and painted, showing the remarkable skills of the Yoruba artists. According to archaeologists like Frank Willett, who led excavations in the 1950s and 60s, these sculptures were likely used in religious rituals and as offerings to the gods. Ife was not just a city of craftsmen, it was a religious and cultural center where the Yoruba believed life itself began, and the terracotta figures play a role in connecting the people with their ancestors and deities. What is striking about this sculpture is their naturalism. Unlike the styled figures common in other parts of Africa, the Ife terracotta pieces show an incredible attention to detail, smooth, realistic facial features, braided hair, and intricate adornments. One famous example is the terracotta head of an Oni, the king, found in Ife, which display a level of artistry that rival any ancient civilization. The cultural significance of this sculpture cannot be overstated. They provide a window into the religious practices, social hierarchy, and artistic brilliance of the Yoruba people centuries ago. It is believed that the terracotta heads represented royal ancestors and were used in funerary rites or as a part of a coronation ceremony for new kings. Many of these sculptures are now housed in museums worldwide, including the National Museum in Lagos and the British Museum. Their discoveries challenge Western assumptions about African art, proving that African civilization had a sophisticated and advanced tradition of naturalistic sculpture long before the European contact. The Ife Terracotta Sculpture goes beyond art. They are an indication to the ingenuity, creativity, and deep spiritual belief of the Yoruba people. They remind us of a time when Ife was a thriving metropolis and a beacon of culture and tradition. Want to dive deeper into the incredible history of African arts? Follow, like, and share to stay connected with our stories. Peace out.